Money. It's a mind thing. Let's talk about money for a minute, guys. What is money? Money is nothing but a tool for trading value. Money is nothing but an idea. If we did not value anything and treated all things equally, money would not even exist. It wouldn't need to. Money exists because we like certain things more than others, and we want to have and experience those things we like more often. Money is an idea. The amount of money which comes into your life is the equivalent of how much value you offer to the world. People trade money for whatever they value. So if you want to have more money, you must have more value. This is why the law of attraction and positive thinking don't work all the time. It's not just about the thoughts and actions alone. It's all about the beliefs that underlie everything you do. If you don't have enough money, it means that you do not believe in yourself. It means that you feel like you're not valuable enough. I know you may disagree, but you must understand that even if you think you're good enough consciously to succeed, there's a force within you that is silently keeping your value down. This is your blueprint. This is your foundation of beliefs about who you are and what the world is and how it all works together. This foundation is the hardware of your life, and your everyday thoughts about what you want and what you're doing is the software that's run by that hardware. It's the conscious and the subconscious, guys. These two forces are who you are as a person. They control everything you do. And I'll have a video coming out soon all about these so important subjects. But for now, just know that you have an average of about 60,000 thoughts per day. 95 to 99% of those thoughts are the same thoughts you had the day before. They're the same because of your subconscious mind. So if you've been unable to earn more money, it's because of the programming of your subconscious mind. Some people like to call it a paradigm, but to me it's more like living in a glass box. I like to think more visually. You can see out and dream of having more, but you can't seem to get out and live your dream. The problem and the answer here are that you are the one who built these walls. You built your glass box with the information that you received from your environment. Your family, your friends, your schools, governments, cultures, religions, and everything else you were exposed to in your life. We have had an intense drive to feel accepted by others ever since day one, and we wind up forming beliefs that are passed to us by those who we seek acceptance from, which in turn turn into personal truths. So the real reason you're stuck in your own personal glass box, which by the way is about the same size as the boxes of those who you are closest to, is because you accepted their beliefs as your beliefs. Their truths are now your truths. Yes, their beliefs are truths because we do not question them. So the only answer here is to find your own truths. Find out what you believe in. The key to unlock the door to your wealth is to know every you. There's a version of you that is still holding on to the information which keeps you locked in. You must find out who you really are and what you really want to do. How are you going to add more value to the world? What are you the best at doing? If you could imagine being the best in the world at one thing that would inspire people, add value to their lives, what would it be? What would that one thing be? Until you have that answer, be satisfied. Be satisfied with what you have now because you probably will not get much more out of life. It's not what you can get out of life that matters. It's about what life can get out of you. Quote, Viktor Frankl, Man's Search for Meaning, a book everybody should read. And here at thekeycoach.com, we can help you find what life can get out of you. We can help you find your purpose, your one thing that you could be the best in the world at. We can help you find that. So if you want to achieve the wealth and the life that you deserve, that you've always wanted, that you just have not been able to get, put me to the test. I can help you get there. I guarantee it. Try me. Let's go, guys. Make more money.